January hit and suddenly the calls stopped. If your business always slows down after the holidays, you're not alone. But that doesn't mean you have to just wait it out. Let's fix it. Right after the holiday rush, most local businesses experience a dip in leads. Fewer calls, fewer site visits, less urgency. And it feels frustrating, especially after a strong December. But here's the good news. This is normal and fixable. Today we're breaking down why this happens every year, what you can do right now to boost visibility, and how your website plus Google profile can bring leads back, even in the slow season. Why January is quiet. Here's what's really going on. People spend more in November and December, then tighten budgets in January. Weather affects service demand, especially for contractors or home services. Your customers are burned out and slower to respond. Your own website might still be running holiday promos or outdated CTAs. That last one, that's where you have control. Fix number 1, refresh your website CTAs. If your site still says book before Christmas or holiday deals, you're telling visitors you're not up to date. Update your calls to action immediately with seasonal messaging like start fresh this year, urgency CTAs like book early for January availability, clear, get a free estimate buttons front and center. And while you're at it, double check your hours, contact forms, and mobile layout. Start the year clear and conversion ready. Fix number 2, optimize your Google Business Profile. Your Google Business Profile, formerly Google My Business, is often the first thing customers see, not your website. Make sure it's verified and claimed, updated with winter or Q1 service hours, filled with fresh photos of recent work, actively getting new reviews and respond to those reviews, even the old ones. Google loves active profiles, and customers trust what they see. Fix number 3, target the right searches. This is the time to lean into seasonal SEO. Ask yourself, what are people Googling now that you offer? Do your website pages mention January, start the year, 2026, or maintenance? Examples: New Year roof inspection, winter plumbing checkup, post-holiday home cleaning, start 2026 with a safer home. These little changes to your service pages and homepage text can make a big difference. Google looks for fresh, relevant content, and your competitors probably haven't updated theirs yet. Fix number 4, don't disappear. Post something. When business is slow, many owners go silent. But right now, staying visible is key. Post on Google Business, weekly updates, social media, before after, client wins, tips. Your blog or homepage, even short updates help. You're not just posting for people, you're showing Google you're active. If your leads dropped after the holidays, it's not a failure, it's a seasonal pattern. But with the right tweaks to your website, Google profile, and messaging, you can turn the quiet season into your prep for growth season. Want your website and Google presence refreshed without lifting a finger? At Engage, we'll update your entire online setup. Fast, done for you, no contracts. Website updates, SEO built in, Google Business support. Live in 72 hours. Engage your business, our expertise. Visit engageyourbiz.com.